Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this training video, we'll explore job tasks in the task module. Let's get started. Job tasks are used to assign work and tasks to specific jobs. Blade allows you to access and manage job tasks everywhere you need them in both the desktop and mobile app. Job tasks are available on the projects page. I'll use the Jimbo James job task as an example. You can open, review, or create new job tasks for any project. View this same job task on the Kanban board as you manage workflow. The Kanban view is especially useful for daily stand-ups or quick coordination meetings, keeping everyone on the same page and focused on priorities. Create, view, and manage the same job task on the schedule and map page as you organize daily schedules and routes. Again, open the task to view and manage details. Lastly, see and manage all job tasks on the Job Task panel. The panel displays a list of active jobs and assigned tasks. Once again, we see our Jimbo James task. Okay, so we visited a number of different locations in Blade that allow you to create and manage job tasks. Let's focus now on using this Job Task panel. The Job Task panel is a central location to quickly and easily manage all job tasks. It displays a list of all active jobs, both those with assigned and active tasks, as well as those without tasks. At the top of the list, we see 4 buttons that filter the job and task list. The Filter by Job Info button allows you to filter active and assigned job tasks by job lifecycle status queue and by job name. This filter allows you to see only those jobs that pertain to your individual area. For example, if you're only interested in tasks assigned to jobs that are still active in the field, deselect all status queues except the Jobs in Process queue. Toggle between active and completed jobs to see older completed tasks if you need to review historical information or if you want to reactivate a completed task. The drop-down called Assign To allows you to filter the list of assigned tasks by assignee. The top of the list displays column headings. The left side is the name of the project client. Tasks can be marked as started and completed. This is especially valuable if you want your crew to indicate when they start a task and when they complete the task. This is a useful way to see when crews started and completed work throughout the day. These other column headings are self-explanatory. These last 4 columns can be edited on screen, allowing you to quickly edit key task information without opening the task detail screen. Notice that the job displays a darkened task icon if one or more active job tasks have been created for this job. The light-colored icon with the green add button indicates that this job does not have an active task. Okay, let's select a job without a task and add a new task. Click the Add Job Task button. Select a clear description and enter task notes so your team knows exactly what needs to be done. Don't worry, you can customize your own task descriptions in the General Inputs page of Account Settings. Assign the task to either a role or a specific user. Manage user roles on the company page within Account Settings. Learn more about roles in the Support Center. Assign a due date and time. Click the Anytime button to set the due time as any time during the selected day. Once all the fields are set, click Add. The new task will immediately appear across all views in the project list, Kanban board, schedule, and map, and here on the Job Task page. After tasks are created, Blade makes it simple to edit and manage them as your project evolves. Use the Job Task Detail page to edit task details. You can modify the task description, change status, update due dates, or reassign it to another user or role as needed. You can read or update task instruction notes. In addition to modifying task details, you can also view and modify key job parameters. For example, modify key job dates and complete the job by moving it to the Ready to Bill lifecycle status queue. View or add to job documents or job photos. This capability is especially useful as you monitor daily work during management reviews, stand-up meetings, or daily dispatch meetings. In short, tasks help keep job communications centralized. Here, team members can record notes, upload progress photos, or document completed work. This transparency keeps everyone accountable and informed without needing separate messages or calls. Okay, that's a good overview of job tasks within Blade. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.